Welcome to MarineMax in Kent Island, Maryland. Today we're going through this 2019 Chaparral 19 Fish and Ski. This is a MarineMax owned trade. Currently has 40 hours on the Mercury 200 horsepower stern drive. Customer traded in with us for a slightly larger vessel. Now walking through the interior of this Chaparral 19 Fish and Ski. You see we have 4 captain's chairs, 2 aft, 2 forward. Forward ones have bolsters, go up and down. The 2 aft do pop out and there is storage underneath both of those. This back hatch here will lift up and your 200 horsepower Mercury stern drive is in there. Each of these pads do come off, storage beneath those as well. This has the vinyl snap out flooring. One thing I like about this boat is the fish and ski, so you got rod holder storage in there, a nice glove locker and radio controls behind that panel. This boat does have 40 hours on it currently. Comes with this Garmin GPS unit, trim and tilt on your steering wheel here, Mercury controls. She's in very good condition. Up here in the bow, grab hold handles, cup holders, and all of these seats do pop out as well. If you'd like to take a closer look, come stop by MarineMax Kent Island. Number here, 410-732-1260.